Please do not pour away the rice water at home anymore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make organic composite fertilizer from rice water. Once you learn this, you won't need to spend money on buying fertilizers anymore. Before I share the details, please like and bookmark this video so you can find it when needed. Prepare 5 crushed eggshells, 100 grams of white vinegar, 50 grams of brown sugar, and 5 kilograms of rice water. Seal and ferment this mixture for 48 hours. Your organic composite fertilizer is ready. When using, dilute it with water at a ratio of 1 to 10. If your seedlings are yellowing, weak, or not growing well, you can use this fertilizer. Apply it twice, and you will see your vegetable leaves become lush and thick. Have you learned it? Follow me for more daily tips on agricultural cultivation.